Hi sewing friends, welcome to my sewing room. My name is Beth, and if you're new, welcome. The quilt I'm working on today begins with these really cute embroidered animals, and it's a Noah's Ark theme. There's an ark at the bottom of this stack and also a picture of Noah with some of the animals. These were given to me, and I believe they were made on a sewing machine with an embroidery type program. These little squares have been waiting in the wings for me to figure out what I was going to do, and today I am going to make an alternate block to go with all of these really cute squares. I'm using some strips that are 2 inches by 5 inches, and I need a few white squares that are 2 inches. I have a lot of scraps, and I pulled out my blue 2-inch squares, and I will be making a block called the 9-patch star. This block begins with the 9-patch with 5 white squares and 4 of the blue squares, and then later on I'll show you how you can put this block together a little more quickly using strips. I'm putting all of my 2-inch squares together, and when I have them pieced, I will press, and this little 9-patch should measure 5 inches. The inside of this block is a 9-patch with the 4 blue squares and the white squares in the corner, and then the outside part of this quilt block I'm using 4 5-inch strips, 5-inch by 2-inch strips, and I'm using some of my 2-inch squares, and I'll place the square on each end, and starting with this one right here, I'm going to sew a line from corner to corner so that the corner of that rectangle will have a triangle. After making sure that my triangle is the right size, it should line up with the triangle pieces behind, I cut away the background triangles, and now I'm going to sew a second triangle on there using that 2-inch square, and I need 4 of these to put my block together. When I had my 9-patch ready and my little rectangles ready with those triangles, I pressed everything, and then I'll be adding 4 more corner squares to make my quilt block. This quilt block, when it's all put together, measures 8 inches, the same size as those really cute embroidered squares that somebody gave me a while back. And here again is my quilt block. And then I thought I'd show you how you might want to put this quilt block together using 2-inch strips. It goes a little bit quicker, and it would even be nice, I think, if you just used 2 fabrics, a white and then the same blue all the way throughout. I'm going to try to make my quilt block scrappy, so my strips are all different lengths, but they're all 2 inches wide, and I need 3 sets of these strips that I'm going to put together. I began with a blue strip and a white strip, and then I'll be adding another white strip for my first set of 3. The second set of strips that I'll be making is a strip made with 2 blues and a white in the center. And then my third set of 3, again, I'll use 1 blue with 2 whites on the outside. And once I have these 3 sets made, I'm going to be pressing toward the darker fabric. And you'll see in just a minute that if I press to the darker fabric, my little pieces will nest together really nicely. So I wanted my 9 patches to be scrappy, so all of the blue strips are different fabrics, and I'll be cutting little chunks here 2 inches wide, so I should have enough to make quite a few quilt blocks. I have 12 of those Noah's Ark embroidered blocks, and my quilt I plan on having 12 of these 9 patch star blocks alternating. Once I had all of my 2-inch pieces cut, I was able to sew those 3 different pieces together to make a really quick 9 patch block. This quilt should come together really quickly. I'm using 12 of each of the blocks, the embroidered block and the 9 patch star, and before you know it, I will have a quilt ready to go. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.